Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to lead the song Only a Holy God by CityAlight with just you and an acoustic guitar. I want to let you know in advance I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this arrangement. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything that you need to know to play the song, but if you like those advanced guitar chords and you want to learn even more of them and level up your guitar playing even more, make sure to check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where you can learn even more of those advanced guitar chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Who else commands all the hosts of heaven? Who else could make every king bow down? Who else can whisper in darkness tremble? Only a holy God. What other beauty demands such praises? What other splendor outshines the sun? What other majesty rules with justice? Only a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. What other glory consumes like fire? What other power can raise the dead? What other name remains undefeated? Only a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Who else could rescue me from my failing? Who else would offer His only Son? Who else invites me to call Him Father? Only a holy God. Only my holy God. So come and behold Him, the one and the only. Cry out, sing holy, forever a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Come and worship a holy God. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Only a Holy God by CityAlight. If you liked those advanced guitar chords that you learned all throughout that arrangement and you want even more, I've got you covered. There's a link down in the description below. Don't miss it. It's down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.